Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Nvts stock. This one you can see is here up by 16.64% today. A very good day. We need to speak about this. We're looking at what could be coming next too. If it does sound good guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as I will be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions, and I do upload every single day. At the same time, do remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so make sure you are doing your own research. Now coming in here and looking at a few of these trends, well of course you've seen that major push up very easily today, breaking above levels such as $15.99, $16, and of course now setting a new potential level to watch out for at 1670, 1675. This could be the new support. Now this used to be a resistance. We could be seeing the age-old resistance turn support holding up here, so do keep your eye on that level into tomorrow. If you're able to break up tomorrow, you've got a few levels to look out for. 1710 you've then got numbers such as 1740, then you could be seeing levels such as 1760, 1765, 1770 and 1780. Of course, past that guys, the sky really is the limit. However, one thing I should make you aware of is the climbing RSI on this one. We're not overbought yet, but we certainly are very close, and this could be something to pay attention to going forwards into tomorrow and the rest of the week. We may need to see some consolidation. Maybe that is a continued slow increase up, maybe it is a little bit of a decline. Levels below these could include numbers such as 1534, you could be looking at numbers such as 1430. These are the key numbers that I'm looking to hold up into the rest of the week, but really I'm hoping that we hold on to these. I'm hoping that we see more green tomorrow, just a more slow and steady pace, allowing the trend to continue. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you for your time, goodbye for now.